Hi guys. So I decided that today would be a really great day to just clean the heck out of my car. If you know me in person, you know that I'm a very messy person. I'm not dirty, I'm just really messy. The reason being for that is because I have anxiety. And if you have anxiety, you know that what your surroundings look like is what's going on in your head. Your environment mirrors what's going through your mind. So people with anxiety can understand that, and I like to be really open about my anxiety and like what I go through. As my channel progresses, you know, in the future, I definitely will talk about it more and be open and maybe give some advice for people that are looking for it, or, you know, just be like even more open. I want to be an open book and just really help people where I can. So, but getting off topic a little bit, but I thought today would be a really good day to just clean out my car. It's been a long time coming. I haven't cleaned out my car in probably about 4 or 5 months. It's not that bad. I do take out trash and stuff every once in a while, but my brain is always like such in like this huge scramble to either get in the car or get out of the car that like I never remember to like pick up my trash or like bring stuff in that needs to be brought in. So I'm going to be doing that today. So I thought I would just make like a fun little video of me just like cleaning out my car. I was thinking about deep cleaning it and filming that as well, but I actually don't have time to do all of that today because I really just want to like polish my wheels and like clean the leather and like deep clean the seats and stuff. I do not have time to do that. So I'm just making a like clean my car out with me video. So that's what we're gonna do today. So I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys find this entertaining or relaxing or whatever it might be, but I'm going to go clean out my car and take you guys along with me. So let's go. Okay, so this is what we're working with. I'm just going to take out all of my dirty masks, my trash that's been like literally like stuffed in here, that has been sitting in here for like 3 days. I don't know why. Don't ask. Some trash on the floor, and I think I'm just gonna, it's a little bit dusty and dirty up here. So I think I'm just gonna like clean that off a little bit, and then my steering wheel, gross. So I'm just gonna clean that off. And then take out all of this unnecessary stuff and maybe just wipe down the seats a little bit. And that's probably it. So disgusting. This is like coffee stains because I'm a messy person. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. I'm taking the trash out of here, but I'm leaving the coins just because I don't have anywhere else to put my coins, and I need to have coins in my car just in case for like spare change. actually gonna leave these slippers in here in case for whatever reason I need them. These are actually going to work. Oh my gosh, you guys. My wax spilled in my car. I knew that was gonna happen eventually. I have left this in here for like a month, so I knew that was gonna happen eventually. Oh well, we can always clean it. I think we're pretty much done. It looks way better. Steering wheel doesn't look gross anymore. This is pretty much dusted off. Good enough until I deep clean it. Alright guys, so that concludes this car clean out video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was at least a little bit fun to watch. Maybe release your anxiety, relax you, something. Hopefully it did something for you. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye babes.